We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 5x12 utility trailer that is a Dovetail single axle. This has your jack, coupler, and safety chains. Spare tire holder. This comes with pressure treated wood flooring. This is a Dovetail, so it's going to make for easier loading. Comes with a single greaseable 3,500 pound axle. Does include some built-in tie down points, as well as fully wired LED drive lights. Has a reinforced gate. Once again, this is our 5x12 utility trailer. If you're interested, give us a call at 615-641-7720.